Hi, and welcome to the Category Management Knowledge Group website. I'm Sue Nichols, President and owner of Category Management Knowledge Group, and I'm glad that you've come to visit us today. I'd like to take a moment just to tell you a little bit more about CMKG. First of all, we're very proud to be the first accredited category management training company in the world, and the only one to currently offer all of our programs exclusively online. Whether it is that you're looking for a complete designation from the Category Management Association, you're looking for some great category management programs, or you're looking for some fill-in-the-gap training, we can meet those needs for you. We can customize learning experiences specifically for you, your team, or your organization. And the training is relevant across both geographies as well as industries. So no matter where you are in the world, you'll benefit from this quality training program. Some of you may not be looking for industry certification, but you're just looking for some high-quality, foundational, sustainable category management training. Our accreditation by the Category Management Association will give you the assurance that our training meets or exceeds the industry standards. So who is CMKG's target audience? Our learning audience spans category management roles, sales, marketing, and retail sales, so it's not just for category management specialists. Different functions can benefit from topics including Excel, PowerPoint, category management overview, category management on limited data, including many other training modules, are all available and very relevant for different functions. Creating a foundation across functions creates an organization that has the power to make more strategic business choices. I hope that you find what you're looking for on our website today. Online training provides numerous benefits, including instant access, cost-effective solutions, and sustainability for your organization. Please contact any of our CMKG team if you require any further information or have any questions about our programs. Our key focus is you, our clients. We're here to help you find the right solution for you. Thanks for visiting our site today, and have a great day.